Hi, in this section we will take a look at certain important concepts associated with the methods of valuation of goodwill. But before going into that, we will have a very brief look at the formulae for the calculation of goodwill under the various methods, so that we can get acquainted with the terms which are used in these formulae. So let's do that first and go into the three methods of valuation of goodwill. Now, seeing in this chart, we can find that there are three methods of valuation of goodwill. The first one is the average profit method. The second one is the super profit method. And the third one is the capitalization method. Now, the average profit method is divided into two. The first is based on simple average and the second one is based on weighted average. The second method is the super profit method, whereas the third method, which is the capitalization method, is divided into method which is based on average profits, and the second one, the capitalization method, based on super profits. So we will just have a look at the formulae for each of these methods. We'll begin with the average profit method when it is based on simple average. Now, in this method, goodwill is equal to simple average of profits into number of years purchase. Next, average profits method using the weighted average. In this case, goodwill is equal to weighted average of profits into the number of years purchase. Now, the second method, the super profits method. Under this method, goodwill is equal to super profits into number of years purchase. Finally, the capitalization method. The first part, which is capitalization of average profits method. Here, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profits minus net assets, where capitalized value of average profits is equal to average profits into 100 divided by normal rate of return. And finally, the goodwill calculation under capitalization of super profits method. Goodwill is equal to super profits into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Now, while discussing these formulae in the three methods of valuation of goodwill, we saw that terms such as average profit, simple average, weighted average, and number of years purchase, etc. has been used. In the upcoming few videos, we will see why the past year's average profits have been used in valuation of goodwill, what are the adjustments to be made to the past year's average profits, and why such adjustments need to be made. What is the difference between simple average and weighted average? What is the meaning of number of years purchase, etc. So these will be discussed in the upcoming videos.